We are here at the John and Mary Pappajohn Sculpture Park in the heart of Des Moines. And there are so many interesting sculptures, including some that I did not photograph because I don't really like them. But it is a very interesting place to come and take a look if you ever have some time and you're down in Des Moines.
The John and Mary Pappajohn Sculpture Park, an extension of the Des Moines Arts Center, opened in September 2009 as the realization of a dream by local philanthropists and art collectors John and Mary Pappajohn. They envisioned a space where the entire community could experience sculpture by the world's most celebrated artists free of charge. Des Moines, Iowa is ranked number 2 in best place for young professionals out of 100 metro areas, and here's why. Number 1, affordability and cost of living. Housing, transportation, and general living costs tend to be lower than in many big coastal cities. Number 2, growing job and professional opportunities. The city has been investing in its amenities, arts, infrastructure, and business climate to attract and retain young talent. Number 3, its vibrant arts, culture, and entertainment atmosphere. From public art to concert venues, theaters, galleries, and downtown pedestrian spaces, there's a lot to explore. And last but not least, the neighborhoods are geared toward younger folks. Some neighborhoods are rated especially favorable for young professionals because of their good access to downtown, walkability, and amenities. So all in all, Des Moines, Iowa is a great place to live. So let's get back to the sculpture park. It's open daily from sunrise to midnight. It's free admission, and they offer free cell phone tours. Picnicking is allowed, but please be sure to keep the food and drink away from the sculptures because we want to keep them beautiful. Guided tours of the sculpture park are available April through October for groups of any size. Please request a tour at least 3 weeks in advance by calling 515-277-4405 or visiting DesMoinesArtCenter.org. The sculpture park is between Grant Avenue and Locust Street, bordered by 15th Street and 13th Street. The 4.4-acre park is one of the most significant parks of its kind in the United States, attracting visitors from around the city, the nation, and the world. Personally, I found Nomad to be the most interesting of all the sculptures, partially because if you look closely, it's made up of all letters. And you can even walk inside. It's fascinating. I really like it. What do you think? David and I want to thank you so much for joining us. We had a great time at this art park, and we hope you will too. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and we will see you on our next adventure.